Urban Eden facial kits now have a new and improved look. I'm so excited because now they come with instructions on how to use the products. So it's pretty much like me telling you how to use the box and how to use the products without me actually being there. We have different types of skincare packages for your skin type, whether or not you have acne and oily skin, if you have dry skin, if you have sensitive skin, or if you deal with hyperpigmentation. Each of our packages are specially curated with products that work specifically for your skin. Looking for clarity? Check out our acne and oily facial kit. It comes equipped with products that are particular for acne and oily skin. In it, we have included our activated charcoal facial cleanser, which is scented with peppermint essential oil and is detoxing and a nice astringent cleanser for your skin. Next, we have our rose water and aloe toner, which is another astringent product that further cleanses the skin and helps to balance your pH. And next, we have our tea tree and lavender facial serum, which is a light facial serum that comes combined with tea tree, lavender essential oil, and it also has some basil essential oil. All of these essential oils are good for oily and acne skin and can help to clear up acne. Next, we have our Moroccan red clay, which you can use 2 to 3 times a week depending on how you feel. Just mix it with a little bit of water and apply the face mask for about 5 to 10 minutes. Why so sensitive? A lot of people deal with sensitive skin, and if this is you, Urban Eden has a solution for your sensitive skin. We have curated a package of unscented products that can help to soothe your skin and be gentle enough for your sensitive skin. We have our rose water and aloe facial cleanser, which is made with floral waters so that it can be nice and gentle for you. We also have our rose water and aloe toner, which is astringent and also further cleanses your skin and can also help to balance your skin's pH. Next up, we have our rose and chamomile facial serum, which it is scented, but it's scented with lavender and chamomile essential oil. Both of those are nice and gentle essential oils that have been proven to help with sensitive skin and can also help to clear up the skin. Next, we include our bentonite clay facial mask, which bentonite clay is a nice facial mask to detox your skin and help to draw out impurities. Just mix it with water, and you can use our mask up to 2 to 3 times a week depending on your skin needs. Be youthful. It can be hard if you have dry skin trying to figure out what products can help to keep your skin moisturized. We have included some products in our dry skin facial kit that can help your skin. First, we have our rose water and aloe facial cleanser, which is nice and hydrating. Then we have our rose water and aloe facial mist. This facial kit actually differs from the rest of our facial kits because we included a hydrating mist versus an astringent toner so that we can reintroduce hydration back into your skin. Next up, we have our jasmine and geranium facial serum, which is also different from our other facial serums because it uses castor oil, which is a more heavier penetrating oil for your skin to help to retain moisture. And we also included one of our small original whipped body butters just in case you needed to add a little bit more moisturization to your skin. Our Hyperpigmentation facial kit comes with the tea tree and turmeric facial cleanser that's going to help deeply cleanse your skin and also to help to clear up any oily or acne skin you might have from hyperpigmentation. Next, we have our tea tree and yarrow toner, which is made with apple cider vinegar, so it's nice and astringent and can also help to even the complexion. And then lastly, we have our tea tree and lavender facial serum, which is a nice light facial serum that can still help to even the complexion as well. And then to add in there, we also included turmeric powder, which you can mix with water, you can mix with apple cider vinegar, or you can mix with honey, depending on your skin needs. You can get creative with what you want to mix it with, but turmeric powder is known to help to even out the complexion as well. It's also anti-inflammatory, so it can help to deal with any inflammation that your skin might be dealing with. Our Urban Eden facial kits take the guesswork out of what products you need specifically in your skincare regimen. I know it can be hard to figure out, but we here at Urban Eden want to help you figure that out. And so we have our boxes specifically curated with products that you already know and love, like our tea tree and turmeric facial wash and our activated charcoal facial washes. They also come included with the serums, the toner, and of course our mask. You can head over to our website at www.urbaneden.com and take the skincare quiz now to see which kit works best for you.